Yesterday, my father, who is 70 years old, asked me, Varun, can your ChatGPT predict my stock prices? I was kind of surprised, but that's why I like old people. They are very specific in their life and they know exactly what they want. I ran some tests, and ChatGPT is actually good at running financial valuations like DCF analysis. But in this video, we are not going to get into DCF or any kind of financial valuations. Instead of that, we are going to ask ChatGPT directly for a stock target price. Right now, we are looking at Apple stock, and it's a weekly chart. And as you can see, it's a divergence here. The price is going down, and here the RSI is going up. So there is a fair chance that the stock will hit around 175 in coming days. So let's ask ChatGPT to verify this analysis. So here I am in my ChatGPT, and my prompt is going to be forecast 1 year target price for APL stock. I'm going to connect my ChatGPT to internet with an extension. So it is connected to the internet. And this is not the end. After this, we'll ask ChatGPT to make an average of these prices. This is not any financial advice. We are just testing it with ChatGPT. So I'll disconnect my web and go to a new chat. Give me one average price. This. So it says the average target price of APL stock is approximately 174.23. In our stock chart, we saw that it can go up to 175 as there was a divergence. So I think ChatGPT did a pretty good job. If you agree, please like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching.